God damn! Todd! Damn, Todd, untie me!
I'm not gonna untie you, Gerald, because we're almost out of food, and what do you think about that?
Todd, we have plenty of food. So the problem is that you have me tied up.
Well, Gerald, that's not the problem, because only one of us is making it out of this mess. And I'm just sorry that you didn't think of cannibalism first, so I'm gonna stab you. Okay, so...
No, Todd, come on, man.
Shut up.
No, you
Shut
don't.
up. I'm gonna stab you.
Just
Shut up.
listen, no. Gerald!
Live the rainbow. Taste the rainbow.
Oh, real good.